The phrasal verb to work out can have multiple meanings depending on the context. Here are some example sentences to help you understand it in context. To exercise. I am going to work out at the gym. This means I'm going to the gym to exercise. Number 2, to solve a problem. I will work out how to fix the broken toy. This means finding a solution to repair the toy. Number 3, to calculate. I need to work out the total cost of these items. This means finding out how much everything costs. Number 4, to succeed. I hope your plan works out well. This means hoping that the plan is successful. Number 5, to engage in an activity. Let's work out a plan for our picnic. This means creating a plan for the picnic. In each case, work out is about doing something or finding a solution or achieving a positive result, depending on the context, of course.